Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok age restriction. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok age restriction, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will go to the window of TikTok and you will enter here in this app. Then in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. Then you can go to Play Store. You will find update and you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.